Hello YouTube, my name is Froilan and welcome to another episode of Lifestyle and Sneakers. Today's Fitness Fridays once again, and we're here to give you another workout that you can easily follow at home. So stick around. For this week's workout, we're still following our current template. It's a 3-part workout. First part is the resistance circuit. Second part is the interval training. And the last part is the aerobic cardio. Now let's do the first workout. So for the core exercise, it's gonna be the dead bug. If you've been following this segment, we've featured this exercise several times. So you're gonna lie on the floor, do the dead bug exercise, 10 repetitions per side. Right after that, you're gonna do a plank and twist plus a push-up. So you're gonna do a plank position on your hand. You're gonna twist to your right, go back, twist to your left, go back, and do a push-up. That's gonna be one rep. And then after that, you're gonna do the lower body exercise. You're gonna stand up straight, look forward. You're gonna do one lunge on your right leg, go back. Lunge on your left leg, go back. Then you do one squat. That's gonna be one repetition. If you've noticed on the upper body and lower body exercises, we combine the two exercises to get one complex exercise. So bearing this in mind, we're gonna lessen the reps. Instead of our usual 10 reps, you're gonna do 8 instead. And this will give you a lot of work on your legs and arms. And please watch the B-roll on how to perform these exercises. the second part of our workout, which is the interval training, we're gonna do hill sprints. For this one, we need to find an inclined surface. The higher the degree of the incline, the better. And the recommended distance is 10 meters. Could be a little over or it could be a little less, but 10 meters will be just right. So anyway, if your area doesn't have hills, you can find something like a parking lot, a walkway, overpass, underpass. Any incline will work. So you can be creative with this one. Anyway, we're gonna start at the bottom. You're gonna sprint upwards for 10 meters. Once you reach the top, that will be the start of your rest time. Then you go down for 1 minute, 45 seconds, 30 seconds. Then you get ready for the next set. So you're gonna sprint again, rest for a minute, go down, sprint again. So you're gonna do it for 8 sets. Please watch the B-roll on how to perform the exercise. Cardio workout, we're still going to do our 15 minutes jog or run, and then 5 minutes walk for cool down, and that's a workout. I hope you like the workout, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Also, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok. And again, we're giving away 2 sneakers, an Air Jordan 1 Low and an Ultraboost 19. Please check the mechanics down below and the links down below as well. And again, my name is Froilan. Until next time.